Hello guys, welcome to Married a Foreigner in the Philippines, and I'm in the farm of my papa, and this I'm gonna show you. This is his new project. He made this cage to raise native chicken. Go. So you can see it's 6 foot high. So maybe if they fly they can't get out. Well, there are some chickens here that's still outside the cage. Maybe they were working on it. See, Papa is planning to eggs, raise them. Yeah. So I think he's probably be buying more chickens. More, maybe at least I think it's more than 200 chicken. So as you can see, this is, I am not sure what the measurement of this, but just give you a quick tour. Chicken, that's their house, but still working on it. Well, this is actually my first time coming here, seeing this new cage. It's Papa's project, so yeah. As you can see, there's a tree there inside. It's one of Papa's what you call that? It's palm oil, African oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 6 trees inside the chicken cage. It's not a cage, fence that was covered by a fence. Well, anyway, so see, chickens. So Papa still have to buy more. I think it's too big of a fence for just 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 chickens here. So I'm 110% sure Papa's still adding more chickens. Chicken, native chicken, 2 different broiler and a native chicken. Here in the Philippines, native chicken is more expensive and delicious. You ask your Filipino friends, Filipino wife, husband, they're gonna tell you that it's really delicious, especially tinolang manok. Oh, that's one of the Filipino dish that surely Filipino people missed it. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like button, as I still had lots of videos for you for this Papa's farm. See you guys.